Hello, Class 10 Springfielders. Let us start with the recap. Lesson 1, India's Relief Features. If you remember, we have studied earlier that India is located to the south of Asia and Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north passes through the middle of India, dividing it into two equal regions called northern region and southern region. Observe the map carefully. The dotted line in the middle from north to south is called 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude, which passes near Allahabad. Present name Prayagraj is called Indian Standard Meridian. The time difference of Indian Standard Time IST and of Greenwich Mean Time GMT is 5.5 hours. Observe the map carefully again. From north to south, the distance is 3,214 kilometers and east to west 2,933 kilometers. Students, can you name me the neighboring countries of India? Good. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and to the south, Sri Lanka and Ireland. Now, can you tell me how many coastal states are there? Name them. Excellent. There are 9 coastal states. They are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal. India is divided into 6 major relief features. They are the Himalayan range, the Indo-Gangetic plain, also called as the Northern Plain, the Peninsula Plateau, the coastal plain, the Thar Desert, and the islands. Let us see the first one, Himalayas. Himalayas form an arc with a distance of about 2,400 kilometers. It is divided into 3. The Himadri or the Greater Himalayas. They are mountains covered by snow and ice. The Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas. There are many hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, etc. Shivalik. This range is called by different name in different region. Jammu Hills in Jammu, Mishmi Hills in Arunachal Pradesh and Chachar in Assam. Indo-Gangetic Plain. 3 Himalayan rivers, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra form the Indo-Gangetic Plain. It is divided into 3 parts, the western part, the central part and the eastern part. Peninsula Plateau. It is surrounded by the sea on 3 sides and it is also a plateau, a tableland, therefore called as Peninsula Plateau. It is composed of old crystalline, hard, igneous and metamorphic rocks. These plateaus is slightly tilted towards east. The Peninsula Plateau is divided into 2, namely Malwa Plateau and the Deccan Plateau. The coastal plains. The southern part of Peninsula Plateau is bordered by narrow coastal strip along the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. Western coastal plain is divided into 3, namely Konkan, Maharashtra and Goa. Canara coast, Karnataka. Malabar coast, Kerala. Eastern coastal plain divided into three: Utkal, Odisha, Sarkar, Andhra Pradesh, Coromandel, Tamil Nadu. The Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is located on the leeward side of Aravallis and receives very less rainfall. Luni is the only river. Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal in the country, 650 kilometers, waters parts of Thar Desert. The islands. There are two groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea. The southernmost tip of India is found in Nicobar Islands called as Indra Point. Lakshadweep Islands are of coral origin. It has great variety of flora and fauna. We will be doing the recap of lesson 2, ideas of development, and lesson 3, production and employment, in the next section. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.